Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I will make a new PC from scratch. So I will build everything. I just ordered everything separately. And here are the overview about the LCD display from BenQ, the mainboard, the CPU, the cooler, and also the AC adapter, and also a DVD ROM for the installation of Windows 10. As you can see, I start always with the main board and with the CPU and the cooler because I think it's the easiest way to start. After that, I can just install the main board with everything on it directly um, to the tower inside. Um, just one rule, don't rush it and take your time. So when you're building your own machine. So on this stadium, I'm nearly done. Just adding the power supply and then just the DVD drive and also the hard disk, and then I will be already finished with this installation. Normally, if you are not used to build many pieces, then you need around, would say around 2 hours to build one if you take your time. Because normally I never rush. install it. I can show you. Now it's a little bit a mess, but the cable I will do at the end, because first I want to know if the installation will be done, so that I can check if everything is fine with the computer, and then I need to fine tune it and stuff. So PC is set up, and I play a little bit of World of Warcraft now. I hope you enjoyed it, and now we'll make a little performance test after.